Hey everyone, and welcome back to House and Garden Ideas. Before you toss that empty plastic bottle into the recycling bin, wait, what if he told you that you could transform a piece of trash into a stunning piece of home decor? That's right, today we're turning an ordinary bottle into a beautiful, space-saving hanging planter. It's a fantastic way to go green, get creative, and bring a little bit of nature indoors. So, grab a bottle, and let's get crafting. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need a clean plastic bottle any size will do, a pair of strong scissors or a craft knife. Some paint of your choice, a bit of sturdy rope or twine, and of course some sail and a lovely plant to call your new planter home. I've chosen a beautiful trailing ivy for this project, but succulents or small herbs would work wonderfully too. This project is so simple, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it sooner. Now for the fun part. Carefully, and I mean carefully, cut your plastic bottle in half. For this, an adult's help is definitely recommended. You can cut a straight across, or get a little fancy with a scalloped edge. We'll be using the bottom half for our planter. Once it's cut, let your creativity run wild. I'm going with a clean, minimalist white. But feel free to use bright colors, patterns, or whatever matches your home's vibe. A couple of coats should do the trick. Let it dry completely. Once your paint is dry, it's time to prepare it for hanging. Using your scissors or a small drill bit, make two small holes on opposite sides, near the top rim of your new pot. This is where we'll thread our rope. Cut a length of rope, make sure it is long enough to hang at your desired height, and thread it through the holes, tying a secure knot on the inside of each one. You want to make sure it's nice and sturdy to hold the weight of your plant. Now, we're ready to plant. Add a small layer of gravel at the bottom for drainage, then fill it up with good quality potting soil. Gently place your plant inside, top it off with a little more soil, and give it a nice drink of water. And there you have it, a gorgeous, custom-made hanging planter from something that was destined for the landfill. How amazing is that? These are absolutely perfect for small apartments, balconies, or even just adding a touch of green to a sunny window. But wait, don't stop at plastic bottles. You can use this exact same technique with so many other recycled items. Got some more tin cans? Paint them up. Have you ever thought about using coconut shells? They give such a cool, rustic, bohemian look. The possibilities are truly endless. It's all about looking everyday objects with a new, creative eye. Imagine a whole wall filled with these little upcycle planters, each one unique. This is more than just a craft. It's a small step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. Every little bit helps, and it feels so rewarding to create something beautiful and functional out of recycled materials. I really hope this has inspired you to start your own DIY garden project. If you enjoyed this eco-friendly garden hack, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from House Garden Ideas. We have so many more projects to share with you. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.